हाय फ्रेंड्स, आपण मानको डीओ एकेडमी को स्वागत। आज आमे किछटा इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करिबा जहार टॉपिक रहबो प्रीपोजिशन। टीचिंग एग्जामिनेशन ने प्रीपोजिशन रो किछटा क्वेश्चन आसी थाए, तो वीडियो टी को संपूर्ण देखिबा पूर्व मु आपण मानको कहि रखुची। जदि आपण हम चैनल रे नुवा अछंती देन चैनल टी को सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु, कारण आपण को हमर चैनल रे मिलिबो ढेर सारा मटेरियल। सब्सक्राइब बटन पाखरे थिबा बेल आइकन टी को प्रेस कर दियंतु, जहा फल रे हम चैनल रे जे कोनोसी नुवा वीडियो अपलोड होबो तार नोटिफिकेशन आपन निकट रे पहुंची दिबो। तो चलंतु हम एबे किछटा क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करबा प्रीपोजिशन अबाउट। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन अछि fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. Question number 1 is your teacher is not satisfied dash your study. Option A is in, option B is on, option C is with, option D is into. Which is the right answer? The right answer है हमारा with. Your teacher is not satisfied with your study. तो question number 2 अच्छी the dog is very faithful dash his master. Option A is in अच्छी, option B is to अच्छी, option C रे in अच्छी, option D रे with अच्छी। तो राइट आंसर टी राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी इज 2। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 वी लाइव डैश इंडिया। ऑप्शन ए इज इन, ऑप्शन बी इज ऑन, ऑप्शन सी इज विथ, ऑप्शन डी इज एट। राइट आंसर होची हमारा ऑप्शन ए इज इन। देखिबे जोठी हमर बिगेस्ट प्लेस रो यूज हेथिबो, जेमिति कि देश, शहर, महादेश, राज्य, महानगर, एठी सब बळे हमर इन बसिबो। नेक्स्ट थिबा क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 राजेंद्र बोरोड आरएस 1000 डैश हिम। ऑप्शन ए इज टू, ऑप्शन बी इज फ्रॉम, ऑप्शन सी इज इन, ऑप्शन डी इज विथ। तो आंसर हे जिवो, राइट आंसर हे जिवो फ्रॉम। राजेंद्र तांको ठारू आनिथिला, त ठारू हे गेले फ्रॉम। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 someone was knocking dash the door. Option A is to, option B is from, option C is at, option D is into. Right answer हेबो at. Someone was knocking at the door. Question number 6 my brother lives dash Madhupur. Option A is at, option B is in, option C is with, option D is on. को प्रीपोजिशन टी लागिबो? एठी लागिबो हमरा at, कारण गोटे देखिबे जोठी कि गां माने छोटो जगार ना अछि सेठी हमरा at लागिबो। मधुपुरटा गोटे गां रा ना, तेनु सेठी एठी लागि गेला हमरा at। नेक्स्ट बा क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 he apologized dash the teacher for his mistake. Option A is into, option B is to, option C is from, option D is for. Right answer is from. He apologized from the teacher for his mistake. Question number 8 he was carrying a suitcase dash his head. Option A is on, option B is in, option C is with. Right answer is on. Question number 9 his wife died dash cancer. Option A is off, option B is in, option C is with, option D is for. Right answer is option A of. His wife died of cancer. Question number 10 the police inspector inquired dash the case. Option A is off, option B is into, option C is from, option D is for. Which is the right answer? Right answer is into. Into the माने केस भितरे जाई कि से इंक्वायरी करथिले। नेक्स्ट बा क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 distribute these apples dash the children. Option A is in, option B is from, option C is among, option D is into. Right answer is among. जेतोळे देखिबे अधिक थिबो, दुई रु अधिक थिबो सेठी हे जिवो हमरा among. Question number 12 question number 12 is the child was sitting dash the mother. Option A is among, option B is beside, option C is between, option D is with. The right answer is option B beside the mother. देखिए जोटा कि पाखरे बसिथिबो जोटा कि माने पूरा साइड रे बसिथिबो तो सेठी हिजबो हमरा beside. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. The aeroplane is flying dash the cloud. Option A is over, option B is on, option C is above, option D is in. The right answer is option C, above. Question number 14. Prabha is good dash mathematics. Option A is into, option B is at, option C is among, option D is for. The right answer is option number B, at. Next. 15 number question. Mukesh travel dash the train. Option A is in, option B is on, option C is by, option D is with. Right answer is Mukesh travel by. Question number 16. The boy was beaten dash the teacher. Option A is by, option B is with, option C sorry एठी हमरो with double हे जायछि एठी from लिखि देउछि. Option C is from, option D is in. Which is the right answer? Right answer is the boy was beaten by the teacher. Next question number 17 is the Mughal ruled dash India. Option A is on, option B is among, option C is with, option D is over. The right answer is over. The question number 18. Mount Everest is 8,850 meters dash sea level. Option A is above, option B is over, option C is on, option D is across. Right answer is option A, above. Next question. Question number 19 is the cat is sitting dash the chair. Option A is below, option B is under, option C is with, option D is none of the above. Right answer is option B, under. से चेयर तले बसला जोटकी तले आसुची under. The question number 20 is the child was sitting dash the mother. Option A is beside, option B is near, option C is with, option D is in. Right answer is option A, beside. तो एठी किछटा डिफरेंट टाइप रो क्वेश्चन अछि. हमें देखि नबा. Find out the error part of the following sentences. Question number 21 रे अछि. My cousin has been married with the richest man of the village. तो यारो को पार्ट रे रंग अछि, भूल अछि. Option A is married with, option B is of the village, option C is the richest man, option D is no error. Which is the right answer? Right answer is married with. Married with टा हमर रंग अछि. Married to हबो. Married to. My cousin has been married to the richest man of the village. Question number 22 रे अछि. को पार्ट रे एरर अछि. I will send you this book latest by 10th February. Option A is I will, option B is send you, option C is this book, option D is no error. Which is the right answer? Right answer is no error. एथिरे कोनोसी भी भूल नाही. पूरा सेंटेंस टा ठीक अछि. I will send you this book latest by 10th February. Question number 23. He is confident dash his success. Option A is of, option B is for, option C is about, option D is towards. Which is the right answer? Right answer is option A, of. He is confident of his success. Question number 24. His statement is very similar dash mine. Option A is to, option B is of, option C is about, option D is on. Right answer is option A, to. His statement is very much similar to mine. Next question. 25. The mother was concerned dash the safety of her child. Option A is at, option B is about, option C is for, option D is with. Right answer is option B, about. The mother was concerned about the safety of her child. Question number 26. He compiled dash my request. Option A is with, option B is by, option C is of, option D is through. Right answer is option A, with. He compiled with my request. Next, question number 27 is one cannot write dash a pen. Option A is with, option B is without, option C is can't, option D is on. Right answer is option B, without. One cannot write without a pen. Apples are sold dash the kilo. Option A is on, option B is in, option C is by, option D is during. The right answer is option C, by. Question number 29 is he is tired dash poverty. Option A is with, option B is of, option C is for, option D is to. Right answer is 29, option C, for. एठी हमर ही इज टायर्ड प्रॉपर्टी माने से मानसिक अवस्था रे टायर्ड अछि. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 रे अछि माय वाइफ वाज टायर्ड दैट द वर्क. ऑप्शन ए इज ऑफ, ऑप्शन बी इज विथ, ऑप्शन सी इज बाय, ऑप्शन डी इज फॉर. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, विथ. एठी से माने तार शारीरिक भावरे से टायर्ड हो जाइछि. नेक्स्ट जीवा 31 क्वेश्चन. हिज अटेनमेंट्स आर डैश योर्स. ऑप्शन ए इज अंडर, ऑप्शन बी इज बेनीथ, ऑप्शन सी इज बियॉन्ड, ऑप्शन डी इज बिलो. राइट आंसर इज 31, ऑप्शन डी, बिलो. हिज अटेनमेंट आर बिलो योर्स मीन्स तुम तले. तो 32 क्वेश्चन अच्छी there was a beautiful garden dash of my school. Option A is on front, option B is in front, option C is face to face, option D is during. Right answer is option B, in front of my school. Question number 33 is they were sitting dash the garden. Option A is on, option B is in, option C is among, option D is around. Right answer is option D, around. They were sitting around the garden. Question number 34. He knew it dash a newspaper. Option A is on, option B is through, option C is under, option D is into. Right answer is option B, through. He knew it through a newspaper. Newspaper द्वारा से जानिला. Next question is a circle is drawn dash a triangle. Option A is about, option B is with, option C is in, option D is into. Here the right answer is option A, about. About रो जो तारो माने प्रयोगटा हमर अराउंड अर्थ रे हिताय माने चारि पटे जोटा थाए सेटा अर्थ रे हिताय. जेमिति कि त्रिभुजर बाहरे माने बाहर चारि पटे को वृत्त अछि माने तार अराउंड रे जेतु जाउची एठी हमर अबाउट लागिवो. नेक्स्ट जिबा 36 नंबर क्वेश्चन. ही वाज वॉकिंग डैश द रोड. ऑप्शन ए इज अबाउट, ऑप्शन बी इज अलोंग, ऑप्शन सी इज विथ, ऑप्शन डी इज ऑन. राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी इज अलोंग. He was walking along the road. Question number 37 is she went to her college dash 11 a.m. Option A is on. Option B is along. Option C is after. Option D is in. Here the right answer is option C, after. She went to her college after 11 am. Question number 38 question is, he cuts the mango a dash a knife. Option A is in. Option B is with. Option C is on. Option D is along. The right answer is option B, with. Instrument पूर्वरु with लागिबो सबबेले मने रखिथिबे. Next question number 39. Your eyes are red dash tears. Option A is with. Option B is in. Option C is within. Option D is after. The right answer is option A, with. Your eyes are red with tears. Question number 40. It is our last question. He was going dash the college. Option A is into the college. Option B is towards. Option C is along. Option D is to. Here the right answer is option B, towards. He was going towards the college. तो फ्रेंड्स आमे किछटा इंपोर्टेंट प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करले. आशा करूची आपनको एटा किछटा मात्रा रे हेल्पफुल रहिबो. भिडियोटी को एंड करबा पूर्वरु मु आपण माननको अगेन कहि रखुची, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु, लाइक करंतु, अधिकरो अधिक मात्रा रे शेयर करंतु, जहा फल रे आपण मानको सहित जो माने भी प्रिपेयर करूथिबे से माने भी बेनिफिटेड रहिबे. तो जदि किछि वीडियो रु प्रॉब्लम रहूची, डाउट रहूची, तो ताहले हमको कमेंट सेक्शन माध्यम रे जणांतु. धन्यवाद.